issued a special marine warning for Cape Cod Bay until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a strong thunderstorm, capable of producing winds 34 knots or greater in small hail, located over Manomet Point, moving northeast at 40 knots. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters of southern Cape Cod Bay. Strong wind gusts and briefly rough seas can be expected. Head to safe harbor immediately, or stay close to shore until the storm passes.